As parents, all we want is to give our kids all they need to be successful. And the best thing we can give them today is the love of technology and coding. That's why we have created Robokids. Robokids is a unique robotic box that includes everything that your kids need to learn engineering and coding. All they need to do is log in and join the world of Robokids. There they will meet the legendary Professor Jobs. Robokid the robot. Floppy the robotic dog. And me, your instructor. Together, we will begin a fascinating adventurous journey. While we will travel and meet fascinating places and creatures. Using our robotic box, we will build robots and smart machines. We will use a simple and powerful environment to program our creations. And we will have so much fun. So, what are you waiting for? Have your Robokids box and join the adventure.